Hello, in this question, we are asked to imagine a skydiver jumping out of an airplane. She reaches terminal speed of 60 meters per second. She opens her parachute. Which of the following describes her motion after opening her parachute? And so we look at the choices. The first clause we can check out is she went upwards, she continued downwards, she continued to fall downwards, she went upwards. So the first thing we have to determine is whether she went upwards or downwards when the parachute opened. Most people get this question incorrect because we create a movie in our minds of someone doing this, and the movie is always of someone else who is skydiving with that person, and you see them open their parachute and they seem to move upward away from you. But that's what it appears to happen from your point of view, your frame of reference. But for someone on the ground, all that happens is the person slows down. So instead of going 60 meters per second, that's the point of a parachute, is to slow you down. If we think about really what happens, for it to actually go upward, they would have to come to a stop, and then there would have to be something to push them upward, accelerate them upward like a rocket. And that's not what a parachute does. So the upwards is a trick if we have the wrong vantage point. And so the upwards goes out, and she continued to fall downwards at 60. Well, if she continues to fall downwards at 60 meters per second, the parachute didn't slow her down at all. So that's out. And she continued to fall, but reached a new terminal speed of less than 60 meters per second. The parachute slows us down, but we continue to fall downward. The entire time someone's skydiving, the entire time they are falling, they are moving downward. At no time do they go upward. And once the parachute comes, it's slower. And so that's why the correct answer is choice C.